Hi everyone, welcome to Solved Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see some of the useful tips in SQL Server Management Studio. The first one is line numbers. See, we don't have any line numbers in the query window right now. So if you want to put line numbers in the query window, first you have to go to this Tools, Options, Text Editor, All Languages. In the General tab, you can find this line numbers. So let's see what happens if you don't have the line numbers. So I have multiple lines of code here. So if I execute the entire code, if I got any error, see in the line 11 I got the error. So I have to count from here like 1, 2, 3. I have to go to the line 11. There is another option as well. If we go to the line, like if we click on Ctrl Z, we can enter the line number and we can go to the exact line. If you have line numbers, you can easily identify the error, like in which line we got the error, we can easily identify if you have the line numbers. So let me put the line numbers here to the options, text editor, all languages, general. Here you can put the line numbers. So if I execute this entire code, if I have the line numbers like line 11, you can easily identify line 11. And second one, switching query windows. So if you have multiple query windows, if you want to switch the query windows, just press Ctrl Tab. Here we can see the available query windows and we can select any one of them like this. The third one, convert lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. So if you want to change, is lowercase words to the uppercase, you can use the shortcut keyboard Control Shift less U. If you want to change this to uppercase letter, just click Control Shift U. If you want to change it to the lowercase, then Control Shift L. And the fourth one, template. So templates, have to go to the view here, a template explorer. So using this template explorer, you can find any of the code. Like if you don't aware of any code, if you don't know the script to take the backup, if you don't know to configure audit, if you don't know the database mail configuration script, so everything you can find it here. For example, if you want to create an index, there are some templates here. Just select this template, just drag this here. So you have this template for creating index. If you want to change the values here also, like you have the other option, you have to go to the query, specify values for template parameters. Just select this one. So whatever the changes you need to change, you can change here. Database name, like ed works. I'm changing this. Index name should be index 1. Schema name should be, I think it is a DBO, and table name person. So all the details you can see here. So for the template, there is a shortcut Control Alt plus T. Control Alt T. If you need template parameters, then you have to go to the query and then select this specify values for template parameters. And the sixth one, vertical black selection and editing. So if you select any line here, it is a horizontal selection. If you want to select like this, like if you want to select vertically, so there is no option here. For that, there is a shortcut we have, that is Shift Alt. So let's take an example here. if I have this database and I want to see the data in multiple tables at once, just take these tables. This is one, this is another table, so I want to see the data in all 4 tables. What you can do is put the cursor here, Control Alt, sorry, what's this, Shift Alt, that is Shift Alt, just select and type select star from the table name. You can select all of this and you can execute it. Just change the database name as ADWork. You can execute the same. So you can select vertically and you can also edit whatever the data you want to enter. You can edit and you can replace the data also. You can select vertically and you can edit and you can replace the data vertically also. And the next one, how to create shortcut keys. So we can create customized shortcut keys as well. If you use any regular SPs like SP_who2 active or any SP_helpdb, for these kind of SPs we can create shortcut keys here. So for that I have to go to this Tools, Options, Environment, and Keyboard shortcut, Query Shortcuts here. So for Control F1 I need SP_who2 active. So if I click Control F1, see the SP_who2 active is executed. So like this you can create customized keyboard shortcuts. And it's one showing pinned tabs in a separate row. So if I have multiple query windows, I want to pin any one of the important tabs, but I want to show it this as a separate window. So if I pin this, there is no difference, but if I pin any query window, it has to be shown separately. You have to show it in separately. So for that, what we have to do is, so we have to go to this Environment, Tabs and Windows. Here you can see show pin tabs in separate row. Just select this option. So if I pin anything, it will show in separate tabs like this. Okay, and the ninth one, commenting and uncommenting the code. If I have a code, I can comment this using Control K, and after that you have to press Control C. If you want to uncomment it, you have to press Control K, after that Control U. So in this way you can comment and uncomment the code. So if you want to select the single line and you have to execute it, so you have to place the cursor, Control K and U. Press Control K and Control U, so that you can select the single line and you can execute it. So these are the 10 useful tips in SQL Server Management Studio. In the next video we can see any other useful tips. Thanks for watching.